Hello and welcome to this practical session. We'll look at the application of SQL queries and other commands in a real-world situation. In our previous lesson, we looked at the installation of MySQL Workbench into our computers. And after installation, you should have this screen. This is the welcome screen, and which we have the commands or the menu at the top. We have the file, edit, view, query, database, server, tool, and script commands. Under each of these, we have commands that we can use in our day-to-day application of this software. Under this, we have small tabs, each with specific command. This is to create a new SQL file. This is to open an existing file. This is to inspect specific all objects that we have selected, and we also have all these other. Then under this pane, we have the schemas, all the tables. In my current view, I have 4 or 5 databases. This schemas represent the databases we have, and we can look at this, the student database, and we have tables. Under tables, we have student and student sum. Then we also have another database named superheroes. Under superheroes, we have several tables, and we also have the video games. Under these, we have several tables also. Then we can switch this to administration, where we can perform administrative tasks such as data importing, data exportation, and connecting to API and other clients. And here we have the information on session and the selected schemas. For example, if we switched and selected this employee database, we have the switch at the bottom. Then we have the session detail. We have our constant. Actually, this is just basic information about the current session we are in this database. This is the working space where we can type our commands and run them. Yeah, this is a working area. The output is displayed at the top. At the bottom, that is, we can switch this area or switch them off depending on our needs. And for example, if we run a command, let's see which table we should use. Let's use this. We have the output and the table at the bottom, at the top. This is the output we are getting. If we get an error, it will be displayed at this point. That's it for the overview of MySQL Workbench. And to run this, we just click on this, and we have a new instance, and we can run our commands on whatever you're interested in. In our next session, we'll start learning on queries and other commands used in SQL.